Hey Glam Fam, I wanted to show you how to duplicate the forms that I make through Google Forms. So when I create like registration forms for guests to fill out for an event or when we do our she shows, I like for you to have your own, like some things I'll do registration form that everybody fills out. But then sometimes I want you to be able to have your own so you can access the responses much easier and then you have them for your records. And so I figured out a way where I can create the form and you can duplicate it. You can make a copy for yourself so that you can have my exact same form so that you don't have to do anything. Like you don't have to put one together or start from scratch. But with my duplicated one that you're making a copy of, you can edit it, you can change the questions around, you can add your own stuff in. And it doesn't affect my copy. So I'm going to show you how to do that. It's super simple. Okay, I'm going to screen share. All right, and the reason it's super simple, but I'm just showing you because normally I feel like if I got to like a page like this, so if I send you a link to a form to copy, like if there's a button that says, duplicate your own form or make your own form or whatever, and you click on it, it's going to take you to a page like this. And like if at first glance, if I would look at this page, I would think like, oh, this is like not like there was an error code or something, like something was wrong, like this website doesn't work or whatever, this page link. Until you look at it closer and it says copy document, would you like to make a copy of She Show registration? So you would just click make a copy. And there it is. So it copies my exact form for you. So give it a second here, it's loading. So this is my form for She Show registrations, all my questions that I have on here. Just confirming that they read like the instructions, watched my welcome video, turn on the notifications in the group. Like, so this whole form is already put together. So now this is your form. See how it says copy of Glam Fam She Show registration. So you would change the name of yours to like your name if you wanted or whatever you wanted. Take out the word copy, but this would be yours now so that you can edit it, you can change it up, and it doesn't affect mine and it saves as your own copy. So it's now in your Google Drive. So I was just going to show you, if you go to your Google Drive, so googledrive.com, you log in with your Gmail information and go to your drive. Then like for me, and I think I have to refresh my page here. It's going to show up on here. So now, so this is copy of Glam Fam She Show registration, shows up right here in quick access because it's something that I just the most recent thing that I opened. So you'll be able to access it in your drive. You can move it into your, like I have a forms folder in my drive that I put all of my forms into. So that way I can always access them and I know where they are. The only reason that I have two right here is because I created the original one and I finished editing it yesterday. I made some changes to it to make a copy so that you guys could do this yourself. So yours won't show up twice on your end, but it'll show up like copy of Glam Fam She Show. So that's your form. So whether it's for a She Show or it's a guest event we're doing, that's how you duplicate my form so that you don't have to start over and create your own, but you can still customize it and personalize it so that it works for you and what you want to use it for.